I'll guide you through the process of stacking coupons on TEMU as an existing user without having to create a new account or use fake phone numbers to bypass the new user only restrictions. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Recently, TEMU shifted its strategy to prioritize customer retention, meaning there are now more ways to earn store credit through the app's internal ecosystem than there are through one-time promo codes. Here are various ways to grab more TEMU coupons. Open your TEMU app and navigate to your order section and check for the price adjustment button on every item you've bought in the last 30 days. Tap this button to instantly claim the difference in store credit if the item's price has dropped, which essentially acts as a post-purchase coupon. Another way is to head over to the Earn Credits and Free Gifts tab to enter the Fishland or Farmland minigames, where consistent daily play unlocks high-value existing user discount codes. To get more TEMU coupons, you can also enable TEMU push notifications in your smartphone settings menu, which ensures you never miss the 24-hour flash sales that are sent exclusively to active shoppers. To receive an abandoned cart recovery coupon, place the items you want into your cart and proceed to the final checkout screen. Here's the trick. Close the app entirely, which triggers TEMU to send you a coupon within a day. You can also search for the TEMU affiliate program in the app's search bar and sign up to access the creator codes, which are often valid for existing users when standard promo codes fail. Take advantage of the coupons and offers folder regularly to find personalized welcome back bundles that TEMU quietly deposits into accounts that haven't purchased in over a week. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.